Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. Man, I hope this is working. I sure hope it does, otherwise I gotta do it over. I think I'm on now. What's happening, folks? I'm sorry I'm late. Lots of phone calls today. Lots to do. Today is, let me tell you what's happening today. Today at 8 o'clock tonight is Ron Hobart and Lynn Nakamoto. It's a great show. I believe Julie and Milo are going to be the special guests tonight. That is a public, I believe. It is a public. If Lynn gets on here, she'll tell me. That's going to be a public. There is other ones. I think at 3 o'clock it's the Hungarian. Unfortunately, I got to get my grass cut and stuff done today, and I got some things to do. But I will be on that 8 o'clock. Angie's going to be mad at me. But let me tell you what's happening. Man, I woke up to, hey, there we go. Let me say hi to everybody. Marty DeGarmo, Slap Happy. What's up, Ty? Bill Musk. There's Julie Wynn. Let me see. I'm jumping. Donna, what's happening? Red Redford. Yeah, I'm late. I was on the phone with Marty. So that's what happens. But let me explain something to you what's going on, folks. I woke up to lots of emails and texts. Chris, where's Ash? What's going on with O-Founders? If you guys all remember, I'll repeat myself again. Ash said O-Founders will be launched in October. Today's what, the 22nd, I think? All right. He is also on a vacation with his family. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Don't worry about it. It's going to happen. The man says something, it happens. I want you to be patient. All right. Be very patient with this, because when it does happen, you're all going to be boom. Once O-Founders is gone through, you're all going to be crazy excited. But the main thing is still get out there and share. Still go out and talk to people about unpassive, new people, especially people that are struggling. If you have those extra funds, help them out. All right, they're going to be thankful for the rest of their lives toward you. That's what unpassive is about, folks. It's about helping out everyone, not just a few people at the top. We want to help everyone out. If you don't believe it, that's fine. Walk away. Walk away from it. All right, we're not going to bug you again. We asked you one time, hey man, come on to this Q&A. Check it out. Ask anything you want. We've given the opportunity to anyone that wants it. Do we call you every day? Nope. I don't call people every day. I tell them one time. If they want to get into it, they get into it. Chris, send me that link. I want in it. All right. So don't worry about people like that, because when we do launch, there'll be resellers. Ash Mafara is traveling to the East Coast, like I told you. Things are going to happen. All right. It's about his security of his family. He's got 2 little boys, his beautiful wife. All right. Plus, he wants to have a little fun before we launch to the world, because when we launch to the world, his life is going to be totally different. Okay. Everyone's going to know him. Everyone's going to want to see him and touch him. And right now, he's just having a little bit of fun. But Unpassive is flying, guys. Nothing ever stops because Ash Mafara had to go to the bathroom. You get it? You see what I'm saying here? All right. It's moving. And if you're not out there sharing, if you're doing more worrying than sharing, then you're not doing it right. I said, don't worry. It's all done for you. You guys know O-Founders is going to happen here in the next, 8, 9, 10 days. You'll find that out. And when it happens, we're going to let you know. Myself, Red, Marty, we're going to get on here. We're going to tell you. All right. But remember this. Everything is priority. I can't say that word. It's a secret, because we have 1,020,000 people in this family right now. All right. That's 1,020,000 customers right off the rip. Nobody has ever done that. No one ever's going to do that. This is your last opportunity to get into the biggest thing that's ever happened in this world. Why? Because you have a company and a man who truly cares about humanity. All right. And if you really understood Ash Mafara, and I mean really, you'd understand that's all he really wants. He wants people in other countries that's never had anything. Now they're going to have something. He doesn't want one person, 2 people, like the other platforms, getting stinking rich and just thanking everybody for being a customer. All right. Ash Mafara is sharing this opportunity with you. $97 to get into a multi-billion-dollar company that's already broken records, literally, for $97 without doing anything. I mean, come on, guys. The people that have been in this for the last 3 years, me, myself, a year, have done this religiously to share with people to help them out. All right, and you're going to have so many choices. After we launch, you're going to understand that you're going to have residual income coming in from the world. Okay, and why will people join Onpassive? Number one, they're going to make residual income. All right, that's the biggest thing people see when they get in here. Number two, they're going to find out that this company is going to go change people's lives, change countries' lives, and that's pretty impressive. Does anyone else ever done that? Nah. They hold their money. They don't give it away. This guy's giving it away. My God, that's the truth. I've had conversations with this gentleman. All right. Many of you have seen and heard what he has to say on our Zooms when Ash gets on there. He truly is a very giving person, and he really does care about you. All those people that make comments, oh, this or that. You know what? I don't care that you don't believe me. All I care is you make the right decision. All right? A lot of people say, oh, my past is what made me today. I don't believe that. I don't believe it. Let your future define you. All right? You, as a normal person like myself, a retired auto worker, worked his whole life. All right? I'm in a company, a multi-billion-dollar company for $97, and I don't have to have any knowledge of computers whatsoever. Me, you, average folks. And don't get me wrong, we have a lot of success stories in Onpassive that said, oh my God, I got to get in this. And they did get into it. And if you plugged into Onpassive, you'd find out about those success stories. But we also have average people, below average people, and when I'm talking pay structure, what they made in their lives. A country like Papua New Guinea, all right, is going to be so changing. And I want to say this. I am part of that system, many of us are, that's going to help rebuild Papua New Guinea with the new airports, new airplanes, new hospital facilities. That's what Onpassive is all about through Oh Bless. Oh Bless is going to help out so many people. All right. And that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. You'll know about your success when you plug in and get in this, when you pay that $97. All right. But what you are going to realize is, wow, this company is going to turn the world upside down. It's going to fix things that are broke. All right. Like I said, Mr. Mafara is going to come here and we're going to talk about this plan for fixing homelessness. That's one little thing, which is a huge thing to me. All right. We have a lot of veterans. I think 35,000 veterans in Michigan alone who live on the streets. That's a damn shame. All right. It's a damn shame to have any kid go 3-4 days without water or food. That's what he wants to fix, folks. That's what I know I want to be part of. All right. I don't want to be part of, oh yeah, I'm successful now. Look at me. I want to be part of helping people out. And you'll find out that just about every founder here realizes that, wow, we are really going to change the world. That's the greatest thing about it. So let me get down and say hi to people. I am late. Ooh, and anyone in here? Ron Herbert, what's happening? 8 o'clock, there's Ron. Patty McGuigan. Start your life from today, not yesterday. Very good, Patty. Tenzile, how you doing? Pidor, Listra T, what's happened? Believe in, trust, love it. RJ Summit, Anthony Samani, how you doing? Prodop Roy, Kamira, who am I missing? Alan Carr, what's happening? Julie Wen, Stephen Robertson. Stephen, how you doing, buddy? There's another name in a different language. Hello to you. You're saying hi. RK, what's happening? Bangladesh in the house. Wait till you see Bangladesh, what they're going to do. Wait till you see what Bangladesh has already done. All right. Kim Mills, Andre Jagger. Wow, look at all these people. Every one of these people are founders from all over the world. Okay. What don't you get? What don't you get? We had like, oh my God, 30,000 people sign up in the last 2 weeks. All right. That's every day. Every day it keeps going up. Why? Because these people want to be part of something that you think, wow, why should I be part of this? I'm just an average dude. I'm just an average gal. Guess what? You can be part of it, folks. You know, all you got to do is ask me, ask anyone that shares this video. Get back to them, ask them about Onpassive, ask them to send you an invite link. It's 5 minutes you're in, folks. 5 minutes you're in. It's your choice to plug in, or you could just be passive. That's okay, but get in this. Change your life. No one can do that for you but you. You guys see me every day. I talk about it every day. So does Marty. So does Red. So does Julie. So does Pete, Muhammad. Hey, man, Marina, Charles. These guys are all over the map trying to help people share this amazing company. And if you think I'm crazy, you haven't seen crazy. Because soon you're going to see some excitement really come out of me. All right? But be patient with it. All right? Things got to be done right, perfect, correct. And that's what Ash Mafar has done for 3 years. He wanted to make it perfect. And that's what he's done. So hang on to your hats. As my buddy Tim Dillon says, buckle up. Strap yourself in. Because this rocket, man, it's lit. It's lit. But I do also, before I'm going to stop, I got to wish two of my favorite boys, Timmy Johnson and Todd Johnson, twins, true musicians, true rock stars that have helped us out with many, many things. Today is their birthday today. I want to do a big shout out for them. Happy birthday to the double T, Timmy and Todd. Bill Must, my buddy from another mother. He's like my best friend. He is my best friend. He does he'll do a YouTube on this. When he gets it done, I also share that. Check out Bill Must Productions. The guy does amazing things. John White. You guys, I've been putting their videos on here. Listen to them. Take a couple minutes and just listen to what they have to say. All right. All they're trying to do is help you. That's what they're doing. On their own dime, on their own time. They're out there every day helping every one of us with posts, beautiful videos. It's unbelievable what they do. A lot of people in here that don't get recognized, but you're all recognized by me. Every one of you are recognized by me. Okay? The founders are the true foundation of Onpassive. You've built it up strong. You're sharing away with people. And don't be afraid. You're going to come across Mr. or Miss Negative once in a while. Who cares? Walk away from them. All right? Remember, 4.7 billion people, internet users, are going to jump all over this. Why? Because they're going to make monetary residual income from the world. Nobody else does it. All right, I got to get going. If you're praying still, shouting out some prayers for my buddy Red's mom and anyone who else is sick. I know we did have a death, we've had a few deaths in this family. Reach out my condolences. It was Noah Holt. And that kills me. I'm very sorry to hear this, but we're still praying for you. Life's going to keep going on, and it's going to be a lot better for you, and we're going to miss those people dearly, but reach out to anyone, guys. Reach out to that neighbor that you know is struggling. Help them. Help them out. It's truly going to change the world. Just get in it. Check out Ron and Lynn tonight, 8 o'clock. I'll have that link on my Facebook. Also, it'll be put in the back office. But just get in it. It's worth listening to. It's worth checking out. And my God, take 20 minutes out of your busy life schedule. You sit on the toilet longer than 20 minutes, I guarantee that. Play it on your phone. Hey, man, watch a Q&A. It'll blow you away, I promise you that. All right, I got to get going. I'll see y'all later. Bill Must, I'll be calling you soon. Our normal chats. And let's do this. It's coming. Get in it today. You won't regret it. See ya.